हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। आई होप आप सब बढ़िया होंगे और आपने एक्सरसाइज मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाली कर ली होगी फ्रैक्शन की। बच्चों, आज हम लोग डिवीजन सीखेंगे कि फ्रैक्शन को कैसे डिवाइड किया जा सकता है इधर बाय अ होल नंबर, और हाउ अ होल नंबर कैन बी डिवाइडेड बाय अ फ्रैक्शन, और हाउ अ फ्रैक्शन कैन बी डिवाइडेड बाय अनदर फ्रैक्शन। ये सारी चीजें आज हम देखेंगे। पहले एक सिंपल सी बात समझ लेते हैं सो दैट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट वेरी क्लियरली। सपोज मैंने आपसे ये कहा कि 10 को डिवाइड कीजिए 5 से। ओके, क्या मैं इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकता हूं? 10 को मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए 1/5 से। कैन आई राइट लाइक दैट? देखिए क्या दोनों का आंसर एक ही आएगा? यस, इट विल बी 2। इट विल बी 2। तो मैं चाहे तो ऐसे बोलूं डिवाइड 10 बाई 5, या मैं ऐसे बोल दूं मल्टीप्लाई 10 बाई 1/5। 1/5 इज एक्चुअली रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस 5. So when you divide a number by another number, it simply means that you are multiplying the number by the reciprocal of the divisor. You will get the same thing. और अगर ये चीज आपके दिमाग में अच्छे से आ गई, if you are able to understand that thing clearly, then the next exercise will be very easy to you. Let me see by taking few example how can we do it. देखिए, you will have 3 cases. First case, you have a fraction here, suppose x upon y, and you have to divide it by z. X, y, z may be any number. Okay. The second scene, you have x divided by y over z. Third scene may be there is x over y, and here it is z over w. These 3 cases may arise. How can we do this? If we have that type of scenario, when a fraction is divided by a whole number, what we have to do? We have to do x upon y multiplied by a reciprocal of z. If such scene persists, we will assume, suppose it is x over 1. We can assume it. And then we will get x over 1 multiplied by 1 over y over z. 1 over y over z can be written as x over 1 multiplied by z over y. So the reciprocal of y over z is actually z over y. In the same manner, if you are going to solve this, you have to do, it is not equal to, I am sorry, it is divided by. What you have to do? X over y multiplied by the reciprocal of z over w. So it will become w over z. So what we are actually doing? The divisor is reciprocated first, and then we have to multiply. Okay? Let me take some example to understand it very clearly. Okay? चलिए देखते हैं. Let me discuss. पहले तो इसको मिटा देते हैं. चलिए मिट गया ये तो. आइए एक्सरसाइज 2.4 पर. चलिए इस 2.4 को देखते हैं. Exercise 2.4. The first question is, find the value of, first part of first question, 12 divided by 3 by 4. We will take one more example of that type. It is third part. 8 divided by 7 over 3. Let me take one more part. It is part number 5th. It is 3 divided by 2 whole 1 by 3. Let me see how can we solve them. These 3. First, हम जानते हैं कि 12, that sign must be converted into multiply, and then reciprocal of this 3 by 4. Now what will happen? 12 multiplied by 4 upon 3. Few students directly come to that step. There is no problem. बट यू शुड बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड भाई हम ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं, हमें पता होना चाहिए. डायरेक्टली आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 4/3. नाउ 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So result is 4 into 4 and 4 4s are 16. Now let me come to the second part. Identical है almost. So it is 8 multiplied by 3 by 7. Directly I am coming to this scenario. कोई भी डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर से डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा. So it will be 8 into 3 over 7. 8 3s are 24 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. 3 रिमाइंडर बचेगा यहाँ 3 by 7. So in this manner we can solve the third part also. Now let me come to fifth part. It can be rewritten as 3 divided by 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7/3. Okay. Now we can write it as 3 multiplied by 3 by 7. Now it will become 9 by 7 and it will become 1 whole 2/7. So in this manner we can solve question number 1. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, note it. Pause the video and then note it. I'm coming to next question. Okay, let me see next question. They are saying find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction and then classify the reciprocals in proper fraction, improper fraction and whole numbers. Okay, it is very easy actually. Question number 2 is, first part is 3 by 7. So what is the reciprocal of 3 by 7? It should be 1 over 3 by 7 and it can be 7 over 3. Now they are saying, बताइए ये प्रॉपर है कि इम्प्रॉपर है कि होल नंबर है. हमें साफ दिखाई दे रहा है इट इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. इम्प्रॉपर प्रॉपर जानते हैं ना, जिसमें न्यूमरेटर बड़ा है डिनोमिनेटर छोटा है वो इम्प्रॉपर है, और जिसमें डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा है न्यूमरेटर छोटा है वो प्रॉपर है. और होल नंबर जिसका डिनोमिनेटर 1 हो. ओके, चलिए आगे चलते हैं. Let me see one more part. Okay, it is part number 3. The fraction given is 9/7. Let me find a reciprocal of 9/7. Obviously it will be 7 over 9. कैसे मिला ये हमें? हमने 1 से इसको डिवाइड कर दिया 9/7 से. It will become 7 over 9, या ऐसे भी लिख के दिखा सकते हैं 7 over 9. It is proper fraction. क्यों है ये प्रॉपर? ये प्रॉपर इसलिए है क्योंकि इसमें न्यूमरेटर छोटा है और डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा है, तो ये प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन बन गया. Let me come to some other part. Okay, let me 6th part. 6th part is 1/8. That is a fraction. What is reciprocal of 1/8? Obviously, directly I am writing now. It is 8/1. So it should be a whole number. So that exercise is very easy and easily you can find it. Okay? Note it. I am coming to the next question. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 देखेंगे आप. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 7 divided by 3 divided by 2. Next part is 6/13. It is part number 3. 6/13 divided by 7. And finally 6th part, 4 whole 3/7 divided by 7. Let me see how can we solve that. 7 upon 3 divided by 2 can be written as 7 upon 3 multiplied by reciprocal of 2, and reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. So finally it will become 7 ones are 7 upon 3 twos are 6. So finally I got 7 upon 6. You also can write as 1 whole 1 by 6. Similarly, that can be written as 6 divided by 13 multiplied by 1 by 7. Reciprocal of 7 is 1 upon 7. Now it is 6 into 1 upon 13 into 7. 6 1 ja 6. Now what is 13 7 ja? 7 3s are 21, carry 2, 7 1 ja 7 and 2 9. So 6 over 91 is the answer. Now let me come to the next part, sixth part. It can be written as 7 4 ja 28 plus 3 is 31 divided by 7 multiplied by 1 upon 7. And it will become 31 ones are upon 7 into 7. 31 ones are 31 ही होगा और 7 sevens are, it will be 49. So in this manner we can find these three part. Remaining part you have to do. Okay बच्चों, चलिए now we are coming to the last question of this exercise. I mean to say question number 4. Exercise is 2.4 again, and we are coming to question number 4. Question number 4 is like this. We are taking first part. First part is 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. Let me take fourth part. Fourth part is 2 whole 1 by 3 divided by 3 upon 5. Let me take one more part. I am taking part number 7th. Seventh part is 3 whole 1 by 5 divided by 1 whole 2 by 3. Let me see how can we solve these exercises. जो बचे हुए क्वेश्चन है वो सभी आपको फेयर में करने हैं, चाहे वो एक्सरसाइज 2.1 हो, चाहे 2.2 हो, चाहे 2.3 हो, चाहे 2.4. ओके, जो एक्सरसाइज होती जा रही है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली क्वेश्चन आपको सॉल्व करने हैं. लेट मी सी हाउ कैन वी डू इट. It can be written as 2 over 5 multiplied by 2 over 1. And it can be written as 2 2s are 4 upon 5 1s are 5. Similarly, that part can be written as 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 5. It can be written as 7 over 3 into 5 over 3. 7 5s are 35. Divided by 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 8 is 35, so we are having 3 whole 8 by 9. Just see how is it possible. Anyway, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 is 16 over 5 divided by 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 5 over 3. It can be written as 16 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 5. It will be 16 3s are 3 6s are 18. Carry 1. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. वैसे तो आपको टेबल भी याद होगी. 5 5s are 25. And you also can say it is 1 whole 23 upon 25. So in this manner, you will be able to solve exercise 2.4 very clearly, very easily. जो हमारा नेक्स्ट वीडियो होगा वहां से हम डेसिमल पे आएंगे. ये हम फ्रैक्शन पढ़ रहे थे अभी तक, इसके बाद डेसिमल पर आएंगे। डेसिमल आपके लिए ज्यादा कन्वीनियंट है क्योंकि उसको आप बचपन से शायद आसानी से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, लेकिन ये भी मुश्किल नहीं है, आपने समझ लिया होगा। ठीक, चलिए इस एक्सरसाइजेस को कंप्लीट कीजिएगा। तब तक के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट।